Angel, Venezuela 807. Angel Falls or Salto Angel is the world's highest free-falling waterfall at 979 meters or 3,212 feet, with an uninterrupted drop of 807 meters or 2,648 feet. It is situated in the river Churun, an affluent of the Carao. Tourists sometimes refer to this stretch of the river as the Ayun Tipui River. The river that culminates in the drop is the Queripa Cupoi Meru in the Canaima National Park, Venezuela. Takakau, British Columbia 503. Takakau Falls is the waterfall located in Yoho National Park near Field, British Columbia in Canada. Its highest point is 384 meters or 1,260 feet, making it the second highest officially measured waterfall in Western Canada after Della Falls on Vancouver Island. However, its true freefall is only 254 meters. Ribbon, Yosemite, California 491. Ribbon Falls, located in Yosemite National Park in California, is the largest single-drop waterfall in the United States. The fall is fed by melting winter snow. While therefore dry for much of the year, the fall is a spectacular 1,612 feet or 491 meters in the spring. Kaichur Falls is about 5 times higher than the more well-known Niagara Falls, located on the border between Canada and United States, and about 2 times the height of the Victoria Falls, located on the border of Zambia and Zimbabwe in Africa. It is a single-drop waterfall, which is the 122nd tallest in the world, according to the World Waterfalls Database. Jersopa, India 253. Jog Waterfalls is the highest waterfall in India and the second highest waterfall in Asia, located in Shimoga district of Karnataka state. Created by Sharavati River falling from a height of 292 meters, which is 958 feet, Jog Falls is one of the major attractions in Karnataka tourism. It is also called by alternative names of Jerusope Falls, Jersopa Falls, and Jogada Gundi. Niagara. Niagara Falls is a set of massive waterfalls located on the Niagara River in eastern North America on the border between the United States and Canada. Niagara Falls comprises of 3 separate waterfalls: the Horseshoe Falls, sometimes called the Canadian Falls, the American Falls, and the smaller adjacent Bridal Veil Falls. While not exceptionally high, Niagara Falls is very wide. More than 6 million cubic feet of water falls over the crestline every minute in high flow, and almost 4 million cubic feet on average. Cubic feet, which is 110,000 meter cube on average.